Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you 5 important usage of an article the. If you guys haven't watched my last week video, then I encourage you to watch that first because that video will work as a foundation pillar that you will understand what is definite article and you will find the link in the description box and even the I button which is above my head. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So before I get into its usage, let me tell you how it is pronounced. Because article the is pronounced in two different ways, in two diversified classifications. So what are they? So the pronunciation of the, which is added before words with vowel sound, is pronounced as the. For example, the America, the apple, and then comes consonant sound and it is pronounced as the. For example, the big apple, the rounded orange. So let's deep dive into it. Like, what are its 5 important usage? Number 1, it is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Let's take an example. My brother enjoyed the book you gave him. Which book? The book. It's a particular thing which you address here. Second example being, let's go to the gym. Which gym? The gym which we used to go. It's a specific thing. Number 2, it is used when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class. For example, the horse is a useful animal. Here, the whole class of horse is being addressed. Second example, the dog is loyal. Here, whole class of dog is being addressed. The third important usage of the is, it is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. For example, she has a boy. The boy wants to become an artist. Here the boy is used because a boy is already being used before. Let's take another example. I ate an orange. The orange is sweet and sour. I ate an orange. Orange is used before. That is why in the second sentence the is used. Now let's get into its fourth application, the fourth important usage. It is used to refer to people or objects that are unique. Like for example, the sun, the moon, the stars, the sky, the ocean, the sea. So let's come into the final part, the most important, which I find like more amazing. It is used before some proper noun which comes under the categories mentioned below. Holy books, the Bhagavad Gita, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, group of islands, the West Indies, deserts, the Atacama, rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, oceans and seas, the Atlantic. So guys, let's quickly revise now what we have learned so far. Firstly, we learned about the pronunciation of article the. Then we talked about its 5 important usage. It is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. It is used when a singular pronoun is used to represent the whole class. It is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. It is used to refer to people or objects that are unique. It is used before some proper nouns. So this is pretty much about the video today. I hope that I was able to share what I had in my mind to share with all of you. And thank you so much guys for tuning in today and watching my video. If you guys feel that I was able to add value in your life with this video, then do like this video, share it with your fellow friends and people who are willing to learn some basic English, and do comment below and let me know which part do you like the most. Out of the 5 usage, which one attracted the most to you? Till then, I hope that you will have a smashing week ahead and I'll see you next week again with an amazing video. मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी.